We're going to try this for the third time now. First time was a phone call. Second time is the dogs. Here we go. Here's your graphs. The top graph, well, this graph is the loan that you've taken out to pay for the car. This one is the value of the car. So we said around 2 years is when those two values are the same. The car is worth what you owe on it. So with that being said, we're going to go to this last page, okay? Escape. Okay, I got to just change my view really fast because I had been messing with it. Window zoom, zoom, standard. Okay, so here we go. This part of the question, we want to know when the two things are equal. When is the value of the car and the loan the same? So we said it was around 2 years, but they need me to go to the nearest hundredth. It does not say algebraically, so I am totally going to use my technology to help me out with this. So remember, when we graphed these originally, nothing came up on the screen. So we can change that window so you can get a good view of those graphs. What I'm not going to do is I'm not going to zoom in, okay? Or I'm sorry, I'm not going to zoom out. What I want to use is this other little trick, menu, window zoom, number 4. And I want to do letter A, zoom fit. And there's a reason why I want to do that. Okay, so A. Okay, there's my two graphs, okay, the value of the car and the value of the loan. Now remember, I wanted a graph from 0 to 5, okay, so I'm only really concerned about this location because I don't really care when years are negative. That doesn't really happen in real world situations. So I have to find when they're equal, and that's when they cross. So to find that, you're going to go to menu. The quickest and easiest way is to go to number 8, geometry. Number 1, points and lines. And number 3, intersection point. So this little icon comes up in the corner. Then you're going to go to the blue graph, click it. And then you're going to go to the red graph, click it. And it's going to drop this point right here, 1.95, 1.36, E plus 4. So when you are solving for these two things to be equal, that's basically saying, what does T equal? All right, so when you are looking here, this is the value of T. And it says to the nearest hundredth. Now, lucky for us, 10th, 100th, that's done. 1.95. I have to show work. Oh, actually, no, I don't have to show work. I have to interpret its meaning in the context of the problem. So I got 1.95. So I would just say in 1.95 years, the car's value equals the loan. Okay, that's what that means when those 2 points cross. The two graphs are equal. One of the graphs was the value, one of the graphs was the loan. Okay, so then we got one other piece. Zach takes out an insurance policy that requires him to pay a $3,000 deductible in case of a collision. He's going to cancel when the value of his car equals the deductible. So when the value of the car equals $3,000. Okay.